Hi you guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Katie and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And today we're gonna be decorating and making this house cozy for the fall season. I am so excited for today's video. I partnered with JCPenney to refresh the home for the new season. So you guys, before we start decorating and I start showing you how I style my JCPenney pieces, let's check out what they have in store because they have great collection for the fall season. JCPenney has everything you need to get your home fall ready. Products are available to you in store and also online. You guys know I love shopping at JCPenney. It's like my go-to store because you can find everything from your bedding to your outdoor seasonal decor, all the way to dining. Everything you need to get your home ready for the new season, it's at JCPenney. I found the perfect decor pieces for fall at JCPenney, and I can't wait to show you how I style them in my home. So let's start by adding this beautiful wreath that I got. I love shopping at JCPenney every year, especially during the fall and holiday season, because I always find the prettiest wreath ever. And this one matches the colors that I'm doing for the fall season this year. So this year I wanted to keep my fall decor very minimal, but I wanted to add those fall colors into the home, made the home cozy and warm. So I found everything that I needed to do just that at my local JCPenney. I am so happy I got all these right pieces to bring my vision to life.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
So for the dining room, I wanted to keep things very simple in here. I made an oversized floral arrangement using this beautiful hydrangeas, like hanging hydrangeas that I got that are matching the colors throughout the house that I'm using for the fall season. I found the perfect place settings at my local JCPenney. You guys, look at these pumpkin bowls. How pretty are they, right? Perfect for you to host this holiday season. Look at those little plates with the pumpkin stamp as well. Everything very neutral, like I like it. Just the perfect setting.
Jumping from cliffs.
So for the family room, I wanted to keep it, again, very clean, minimal stuff. That way we could lounge in here and spend a lot of quality times watching fall movies in here. So I added some pillows in there, oversized pumpkin pillows everywhere. I found the perfect throw to complement the colors in here.
I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah.
Kept things very simple for the kitchen, and here I just wanted to add this beautiful ceramic base that I got at JCPenney, and I added some beautiful stems, and I think it's the perfect touch for the fall season. We recently refreshed the guest bathroom downstairs, so I found the perfect pieces to decorate it for the fall season. Of course, at JCPenney. Look at that cute hand towel that says grateful, this little tray that is ceramic but it mimics wood, and the perfect little bath rock. You guys, how adorable is this? So pretty. Don't forget to check the description box because everything is going to be linked down below, you guys. Found the perfect little pillow for our bedroom. How cute is this? It says together is my favorite place. I knew I had to add it to my bed. So gorgeous. Home tour so you guys can see exactly how I was able to refresh my home using items from the JCPenney fall collection. Don't forget to shop your local store or shop online. Check the description box because I will be linking all the items that I use for my fall decor this year from JCPenney. Have a blessed one and I will see you all on the next one.